Hello students, how are you? Today I am back with my next video for class 8. बच्चों, मैंने आप लोगों को इसमें चैप्टर नंबर 5 जो कि वेस्ट डिस्पोजेबल था वो मैंने आप लोगों को पढ़ाया था, जिसमें स्वच्छ भारत के मिशन के बारे में हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे थे. Swachh Bharat has been receiving tremendous support from the people, taking the broom to sweep streets, cleaning up the garbage, focusing on the sanitation and maintaining a hygienic environment have become a practice. स्वच्छ भारत जो है अब जो है काफ़ी सपोर्ट पाने लगा था लोगों से. लोग जो है झाड़ू लेके सड़कों पे उतर आए थे, आसपास की साफ़ सफाई कर रहे थे, सैनिटेशन पे फोकस कर रहे थे, एक हाइजीनिक एनवायरनमेंट पे भी वो लोग फोकस कर रहे थे. The people of Maharashtra Nalvedi village had faced a massive scarcity of clean water in the past, but now the village has an abundance of water. The people got together and built a 35,000 liter water tank and installed water pipelines. The villager also cleaned up the surrounding. तो इसी का एक मिशन का एक एग्ज़ाम्पल दिया है कि महाराष्ट्र के का एक गांव है नवेलवादी विलेज है, जिसने काफ़ी दिक्कतों का यानी कि पीने के पानी का काफ़ी सामना किया था. मतलब साफ़ पीने के पानी की वहाँ पे बहुत कमी थी. तो लोग बाग जो हैं वो इकट्ठे होकर साथ में आए. 35,000 लीटर टैंक की जो है वाटर टैंक उन लोगों ने बनाया और पाइपलाइन इंस्टॉल करी, और साथ ही साथ उन लोगों ने अपने आसपास भी सफाई करी. Inspired by Swachh Bharat mission, the villagers of Thrissur, Puzzukal, Kerala decided to tackle the huge garbage dump in their area. They put a proper waste management plan in the place. They regularly removed waste, installed waste bins, and even set up a biogas plant. Now this village is a role model for the whole of Kerala. केरला का एक गांव है जिसका नाम है त्रिशूर पुज्जकल, जहाँ पे लोगों ने जो है एक बड़े से गार्बेज को हटा दिया था. उन लोगों ने वेस्ट बिन्स लगाए, बायोगैस प्लांट लगाए, जिसकी वजह से वो बड़े से कूड़े का ढेर जो है वहाँ से हट गया था. और ये गांव जो है अब केरला के लिए एक उदाहरण साबित हो गया था. The village of Chauras is located on the bank of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. The area in and around the banks was full of garbage. The villagers had no clue that the water they drank was polluted because of the toxic waste from the garbage. Here too, it was people who came together to clean the river banks. The village has clean drinking water now, and the river banks are also clean. इसी का एक और उदाहरण दिया गया है चौरस विलेज का, जो कि नर्मदा रिवर के किनारे पे बसा हुआ है, जो मध्य प्रदेश में है. ये एरिया जो है, इसका जो एरिया है नर्मदा रिवर के पास का जो एरिया है, ये कभी ऐसा था कि कूड़े से भरा हुआ रहता था. लोगों को, यहाँ के गांव वालों को इतना भी क्लू नहीं था कि वहाँ के जो लोग हैं गंदा पीने का पानी जो है इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. वहाँ पे उस कूड़े की वजह से उन्हें टॉक्सिक वेस्ट मिला हुआ पानी पीना पड़ रहा था. साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे वही लोग थे जो एक साथ आए, जिन्होंने रिवर बैंक क्लीन करी, गार्बेज हटाया, और अब उन्हें साफ़ और स्वच्छ पीने का पानी मिल पा रहा था. In many villages across India, it is women and the children who are helping to create awareness of cleanliness. The women take part in the cleaning programs because they believe that their children are future of village, and that as mother it is important for them to set an example. Students in primary schools are taught the importance of cleanliness, and they in turn spread the message to their families. अब कई गाँव में भारत के जो है लोग और औरतें और बच्चे भी सामने आए, जिन्होंने अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम भी क्रिएट करे क्लीनिनेस यानी कि सफाई को लेके. वुमेन यानी कि औरतों ने इसमें बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लिया, क्योंकि वो ये मानते थे कि बच्चों के लिए, बच्चे जो कि एक देश का, एक गांव का भविष्य हैं, और उनके माँ होने के नाते उनका ये एक हक बन जाता है, उनके लिए ये ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि वो अपने बच्चों के सामने एक एग्ज़ाम्पल, एक उदाहरण की तरह वो साबित हों. स्टूडेंट्स जो थे प्राइमरी स्कूल के, उन्हें क्लीनिनेस यानी कि स्वच्छता की विशेषता के बारे में बताया गया, और साथ ही साथ बदले में वो खुद तो क्लीनिनेस अपनाते ही थे, साथ ही साथ अपनी फैमिलीज़ में भी ये मैसेज जो है पहुंचाते थे कि आसपास सफाई रखने का। The objective of Swachh Bharat also include eliminating open defecation through the construction of individual and community-owned toilets. एक और ऑब्जेक्टिव था स्वच्छ भारत मिशन का खुले में शौच ना करने की, जिसके लिए कम्युनिटी या फिर इंडिविजुअल टॉयलेट्स भी बनवाए गए कई सारे, ताकि लोग जो हैं खुले में शौच ना करें, गंदगी ना फैलाएं। In Jehanabad district of Bihar, nearly 14,000 women brought about a social change by coming together to clean up their surroundings and convincing villagers to build toilets. The residents of Rajasthan, Chittorgarh, Bhilwara, Udaipur district now have individual toilets in their homes. The collective effort by the people has resulted in more than 3,000 toilets in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. In Haryana, the importance of building toilets was spread through the billboards, posters and radio advertisement. जैनाबाद जो कि बिहार का एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, वहाँ पे औरतें जो है बाहर आई और उन्होंने अपने आसपास सफाई की इस तरीके से रखा कि टॉयलेट्स वगैरह बिल्डअप कराए। यहाँ पे उन लोगों ने कुल मिला के जो है कोयम्बटूर में कुल 3,000 टॉयलेट्स बनवाए थे ताकि खुले में शौच ना हो। By inviting people to participate in the drive, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has turned into a national movement. Citizens are now becoming active participants in cleanliness activities across the nation. The dream of Clean India, once seen by Mahatma Gandhi, has begun to take shape. अब लोग को इनवाइट किया जा रहा है कि वो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का एक हिस्सा बने और जो एक स्वच्छ भारत का जो सपना गांधी जी ने देखा था उसकी तरफ अब हम लोगों ने अपना पहला कदम बढ़ा चुके हैं। Question number 1. Now I am going to tell you the question answers. A part. What greets you as your approach in Ghazipur landfills? Answer is, as we approach towards Ghazipur landfills, a circling prey bird's mound of waste and its stench greets us. Stench greet us. बच्चा stench के बाद greet us लिखने ना, मैं लिखना भूल गई थी, sorry for that. Second question, what do Jeevan and Devinder do at the landfills? Jeevan and Devinder are the rag pickers. They collect garbage from the landfill and sell them for their earnings. Question number 3. What does municipal solid waste rule say about landfills? Answer to this question is, municipal solid waste rule says that the landfill should be away from the habitation clusters. Fourth question, how do countries like Sri Lanka and Bhutan manage their waste? Answer is, Sri Lanka segregates its waste and Bhutan, where everybody is conscious not to pollute their land. What is Swachh Bharat Mission about? The Swachh Bharat Mission is a campaign in India that aims to clean up the streets, roads and infrastructure of India's cities, towns and rural areas. 6. What does it aim to achieve by 2019? Answer is, the mission Swachh Bharat aims to achieve Swachh Bharat by 2019 to pay a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. How did the women in Bihar Jehanabad district bring about a social change? Answer is, in the Jehanabad district of Bihar, nearly 14,000 women brought about a social change by coming together to clean up their surroundings and convincing villagers to build toilets. Question number B, first and second part. These are the extract based question answers. These are the lines given from the chapters and the questions related to it. You have to do it yourself. Do it yourself. It will be a great help for you for your senior classes and you will be able to read the chapter thoroughly again and again. Question number C, first part. Why do activists think we are following flawed system of waste disposal? Answer is, activists feel that we follow a flawed system of waste disposal and management because acres of land is being covered by garbage, which not only pollutes the environment but also causes many health hazards. Question number 2, why is there a need to organize awareness programs? There is a need to organize awareness programs because people should know how to segregate, recycle, and reuse the waste. They should also know the ways to generate least quantity of waste. They should be aware of cleanliness. Answer number 3 of C part is some of the activities of Swachh Bharat mission is to take India, every city, town, and even the smallest village should be clean. People should know the values of cleanliness and they should all come together for this noble cause. Answer number 4 of C part is the village Chauris in MP near Narmada River. The area of the bank of the river was full of garbage. The people of this village came together and cleaned up the bank of the river. The people of Naveldi faced the scarcity of clean drinking water. The people got together and built 35,000 liter water tank and installed water pipelines. Answer number 5 of C part is Swachh Bharat mission has instilled in people the importance of building toilets by doing the awareness program, giving advertisements on the television, doing Nukkad Nataks, also going to every school in India and encouraging the students to make the habit to keep their surrounding clean and not to defecation in the open. They also told students to stop if anybody does so. So students, this was all for this video. Do the question answers A, B and C in your notebook. Till then, stay home, stay safe and bye for now.